What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something that has arrived. Yep, the big champion wood splitter. Never used them before. Kind of excited to use one, but we got the wood splitter in here for all of the wood. I think you guys saw in the last video all the wood we had here. Oh, and check it out, got some forks for Old Blue. So I guess you put that bar in there, and then Old Blue's got some hooks. You just take Old Blue and you pick it up. That's it. I mean, hey, I mean, it's pretty awesome. I Big Blue's or Old Blue, she ain't that strong, but you know, she'll probably pick some stuff up. But here's the updated pile of the wood right here. And if you're wondering why, well, guys, it was free. And you know, can't I mean, take up a deal if it's free. And I got also a chainsaw coming for stuff like this, so stay tuned for that. I don't know, you guys interested in some chainsaw vlogs? I've never really gotten to chainsaw vlogs nor wood splitting vlogs, but I mean, look at this, it's free. And you guys know, as much as I go to the desert, I need the wood. I mean, why not? Everything I found that was free was all logged. If you wanted split and ready to go, they want to charge you like $500. So I'm like, free, buy a wood splitter, I'll take the wood splitter. But now let's get the rammer. Gonna head over to Home Depot, get the rammer warmed up right here. I'll give you guys a cold start. It's pretty cold, it's freezing actually. It's like 60 degrees out here in beautiful California. 65, I know it's not a cold start, but here you go anyways. Now that right there, my friend, is a sound of freedom, brothers. And then we also got new batteries for the Scissor lift over here. Scissor lift, the batteries are like 3 years old and they look a little beat and weak. So we got ourselves some new Napa batteries, golf cart batteries. They're 6-volt deep cycle batteries. So we're gonna install those in the Scissor lift next, and then she'll be good to go. She'll have some fresh Napa batteries in there. And I forgot to show you guys my new Napa clock. What do you think about that? Pretty awesome. Probably the time's not right, but hey, you know, lights up cool. And for you guys asking me, Eddie, what is that light on? So that is a emissions light. It's telling me that my DEF fluid is empty, which it is empty. And the reason why I have it on and you guys don't have it on, well, when we were testing the injector problem, or actually we don't know if it's an injector problem, but when we're testing the rail problem, fuel rail, remember it was knocking, which is still knocking, we're starting to think it's an injector. So what we did is I started the truck up to see what the problem was when it was stocked, to see if the problem was still stocked, to see if it was a tuning issue. And it wasn't a tuning issue, so that's why that light's on. And to reset that light, you have to use a scanner, snap-on scanner or some sort of scanner. So right now, it's sort of a headache. We had to update it and link it and do all this BS. But we had to do that because we need to, number one, clear this, or it's called reset the emissions something, I forgot, I don't know. We got to reset it so it stays at full. But then we need to monitor each injector to see, we're thinking I have a bad injector or a injector shorting out in here, because driving this truck, it is perfectly fine. I have zero issues. At idle, randomly, sometimes it won't even do it for a couple days, rail pressure will just go from like 62 to 89. You'll hear it knock knock real quick and then it goes away. So for that question, we still have not figured out that problem. But I mean, other than that, I'm driving it, runs great. It's just that little hiccup, but it still bugs me. We're gonna fix it. We'll figure it out. So stay tuned for that. You know, I would have loved to like buy some stock or invent a Home Depot. I gotta say, this place is like, you come here any time of the day and it is insanely busy. Like, I gotta give it to the guy that invented Home Depot. Man, that's genius idea. I mean, this place is slam packed. I mean, look at the parking lot. Luckily for me, I'm just, you know, going in the loading zone and picking up, but this place is insane.
Hey, it's a cover. He's looking for cover.
Go ahead, come straight. Come this way. Yeah, come straight.
Straight in, we good?
Yeah, come this way just a little bit. Come on, come on.
Good?
Yeah, come on.
Go straight in, dude.
Come on. Come straight. Come straight. Come straight. Hold on.
Cover going to that. I didn't see no cover. It's inside, bro.
No, it's not. I opened it.
No, not inside the box. It's inside over there.
Oh. Go ahead, come in. Hold on, let me move some of this real quick. All right, go ahead.
Go in?
Go in, go in. Wouldn't the cover be with the order? I ordered it together with this. Why would it be separate? Should be together with the order.
Hey, you say it should be together.
It should be together. I ordered it with this order.
Yeah, I know, but we keep the small boxes inside. Over there at the service desk.
Okay. Go ahead, push it in a little more. There you go. Push, 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 push. Perfect.
All right, boss man. Sorry about the wait, bro.
No worries. Thank you, bro. Well, here it is, guys. A 27-ton log splitter that, well, I'm going to have to put this bad boy together. Check it out. What do you think? Yeah, this is going to be fun. Oh, better get started. Well, we got all this part put together. But the problem we're having now is, put that down there, is now we got to take this big mammoth jammer out. And, well, all I can say is, holy moly, it's heavy. Don't try to lift it, guys. You know, if you guys can use some equipment to get it out of there, you can probably lift it with a couple guys. I'm not going to even deal with that. I got Sean coming over and over here. And I'm gonna just grab the tractor, lift it with the tractor, guide it onto there, and he'll guide it for me. I'll drive it, we'll stick the pin in and be done, because this thing is insanely heavy. Nope, here it is, guys. Not the finished product, not even close. So mounted this on, and by the way, I don't know if you guys knew, I looked up all specs, everything on this. I could not find any specs, but this is a 4-inch bore right here, the outside diameter. It holds almost a gallon of fuel, 0.8. Doesn't hold a gallon quite. And I must say, you know, this thing, just the first look of it, everything is just so beefy, you know, so massive on this thing. So I think this thing is going to put in some good work. But right now, we've mounted this. And the key thing, it didn't even say in the directions, believe it or not, but do not tighten this all the way, because this thing slides back and forth. So you can maneuver it, because this will flip this way, so you can also split the wood going down. But we've got that on. We've mounted the motor's on. So now we're going to start filling it up, mounting all the lines, then fill everything up. Go look everything over. There's a lot of ports on this thing to grease, to check. So just take your time when you guys are building this thing. Dude, you don't want to mess up, you know, because this is some good stuff right here. And the last thing you want to do is hook something up wrong and suck air or dry something out and damage something. All right, we're hooked up now. We got, here you go, this top hydraulic line going to this filter. Got your low pressure line. Got the bottom one running, bam, right to that pump. That's it. Now, move on to the next step. I think it said low pressure. This, I meant to say to clarify for you guys, this is your suction hose right here. Really wet wood right here. out, guys. It has arrived. The Milwaukee chainsaw. This thing is supposed to be pretty awesome, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I compare it? You guys want me to do a little comparison video from gas to electric? This thing's supposed to be pretty awesome, so I'm gonna go plug the battery and test it out. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Well, there you have it, guys. Here's a little unboxing for you. I got the 12.0 battery. We're gonna put in this bad boy right here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, 12.0. So we'll see. I don't know if you guys are interested. I'll do a little review on it. Comment down below. But I gotta say, this thing is kicking butt, guys. I'm very, very happy about this purchase. It so far has split everything that I have picked up to it. So there you have it, guys. That's the new wood splitter that has arrived. Now we're gonna get to splitting and the new chainsaw. I gotta say, I just tried it. It's amazing, you know, a lot of these electric powered, you know, ratchets, impact guns. I mean, the electric world for, you know, the toys, I should say, the air, like my blower. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, the blower, the chainsaws. I mean, it's just incredible. The impact guns. I mean, this grinder, dude, this thing is crazy. It cuts everything. I mean, I've pretty much bought so much Milwaukee stuff. I mean, they're Milwaukee's pump, you know, their battery operated for to transfer water. This thing is amazing. I mean, I'm just so, I mean, look at this. Look at these things. Milwaukee Sawzalls, and I got the bigger Sawzall. Milwaukee, I think, just has everything, guys, and it's incredible. I mean, here's the big daddy right here, or right there. The Milwaukee Sawzalls. I mean, this is like the main Milwaukee drawer right here. I mean, look at this. It's just, it's incredible, guys. I got to give it to Milwaukee. They have, if you guys say, wow, Eddie, they're clean. Do you use them? Yeah, heck yeah, I use these things all the time. I just clean them really good. The key thing for me is how to bring them back to nice, shiny red is I use Simple Grain. I put Simple Grain on a towel, and I, you know, rub all the red so it stays nice, shiny red. Now, this thing's awesome. I just got this. This thing's pretty badass. So you could set it 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got all different tips and everything. This little grinder, so this is nice. And this one right here, this big boy, the Dremel. So I gotta say, guys, I am a big Milwaukee guy when it comes to electric tools. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.